Ever have difficulty planning out your days and activities? Feel like there's not enough time throughout the day? This time tracker timer can be used to visually guide how to manage your time throughout the day. The three featured colors follow the style of a traffic light, with each color set to differing speeds. Green meaning the longest time to engage in the activity, yellow indicating it is close to activity completion, and red meaning the task should be finished or stopped. As included on the back of the device, there are clear instructions for how to utilize both the manual and automatic timing features. Once the device is on, select the menu button and use the arrows to switch from the clock feature to manual to automatic timer. Once showing the desired timer, click the enter button. From here, you can set the clock using hours, minutes, and even seconds to best accommodate your desired time per activity. You can also select the option for a sound alarm. The device takes 4 AA batteries and can last for up to 3 to 4 months of daily use. This device can be especially helpful for kids learning new activities and routines, including playtime, bedtime routines, toothbrushing, medication management, homework, and so much more. This timer can be helpful to caregivers, individuals with memory issues, and people who simply need a visual reminder to best manage their time. If you experience any momentary glitches with the timer, as I know I did during the filming of this video, there's a simple reset button on the side of the device. If you have any questions about this device or others like it, please contact Patricia Aaron from the North Carolina Assistive Technology Program. If you are a North Carolina resident who would like to loan this device, please reach out to patricia.aaron@dhhs.nc.gov. Thanks for watching.